Today is going to be a good one. Despite all the gloomy clouds and the colder temperatures, today is going to be a good one. Unless the spot that I'm trying to go to is shut down or I gotta wait or something like that. But other than that, today's going to be a good day. Today, I am going axe throwing. Cue the music or cue the applause or whatever sound effect. Yes, yes. I'm finally gonna be like the superheroes in the movies, or the, you know, the main superheroes in the animes. I'm finally gonna see what that feels like. I have never thrown a axe at a target, no. And the place that I'm going to, guys, it's like you can get throwing knives for like an extra $10 or something. You can do a throwing knives bundle. So you know we gonna do that. You feel me? I gotta do that. They wouldn't let me do I couldn't do a reservation for one person. Are they turning? Yeah. I couldn't do a reservation for one person. That's why I say, like, I don't know if I'm out the wait or not. They won't let you do a reservation for one person. It was 2 and up. So I gotta go up in there and I gotta walk in. But man, this is gonna be pretty cool, man. I like martial arts, by the way. I like fighting, whether it be boxing, jiu-jitsu, wrestling. I also love weaponry, you know, handguns, obviously, firearms, assault rifles, sniper rifles. I also like melee weapons, you know, melee weapons, you know, knives are my favorite, you know. And that just goes to, you know, how can I explain this? It's just like that protector side of me, you know. I feel what I dialed it down to, that protective side of me as a man. And I see all of these as tools, you know, to defend myself or others. So I think at the root, that's why I have a love for all of these different aspects. All of them are enjoyable. And so although I'm going here today to have some fun, you know, man, obviously I want to see if I can get some bullseye, you know. Now I might turn this into something that I practice a little bit more often. Not throwing axes, but definitely the throwing knives. You know, I want to get better with that, I feel like. And also, like, what the ninjas be having, the I don't want to pronounce the name, the stars. Yeah, you gotta watch out for these folks, man. I want to get good throwing the stars too, cause those seem like lightweight, you know, lightweight and easier to hit on the target, or easier to come in contact with a target with, you know, if you know what I'm saying. Like, you know, the throwing knives or it's just shurikens, man. Those are easier. They're smaller and they're easier because, you know, a throwing knife, I mean, it's just one end, you know, and it's small, you know, so you can get a good hand position on it so you can throw it right. And the shurikens are like, it was at like 3 or 4 sharp edges, so I feel like it'll be hard to miss one of those. So, you know, those two seem the most convenient to learn and get better and good with. And that looks cool, you feel me? Obviously. I watch a lot of anime. Not as much as I used to, but I watch a lot of anime. And not even just anime, but like reality TV and movies, man. I love that samurai era. Japan, like, man, I love those weapons, because that's where I'm guessing those were originally based out of. You know, in the past, I used to, well, I still don't like gloomy days, but like in the past, man, I just try to find something to do inside productive, you know, indoors, you know, because it's just the vibe wasn't right, you know. Gloomy days just bring like gloomy vibes, you know, like, you know, oh man, you know, you get sluggish and stuff. But nowadays I can do it, you know, as long as it's not raining heavily, as long as it's not snowing, I go out there and get it done. Cause you can make something still. If it's raining or snowing or something like that, something severe, yeah, I'll wait. It's not worth it. But a little gloomy, a little cloudy days like this, you can make something out of that. You know, you can still make something out of this. I don't know, it's something that's a little cozy about parking garages to me, bro. It's something that's just a little cozy. Is it just me? Is cozy the word I want to use? Wait, what does that say? Okay, we're just not gonna park there. Whew. There we go. Bury the hatchet. Axe strong. Alright. Step up to that same line you stepped into. Wow, why did that look like it looked like it carried the same amount of force as if you was throwing it overhand? Wow. You said the same thing and flick it. Just need to make sure it hits you. Okay, straight. Ooh, yeah. That was
less risk means more control.
Less risk, more control.
You want the axe to correct itself.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I say do it. Yeah, can you do it? Do it one more time for me? Oh yeah, Yeah. See, it's like you said, as long as somebody hit it, you feel me?
Exactly.
That's cool. That feels a lot natural, a lot more natural too.
Yeah. Some people like that one a lot more.
Aye, that's so. And that's my first time seeing. I don't think I ever saw a video as well. Somebody doing it like that. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I like that. I like these the most. I like these. Ching. I like these. Ooh, oh my goodness, bro. Perfect, bro. Well, no, actually not really. It landed right here, but that's still dead center though, you know? Let me try that. Whatchamacallit again? This technique. I was just showing this technique. You grab that here, kind of flick it. And you flick it up there. You can do an underhand, you can do an underhand, you can do an overhand. We're gonna do an overhand now. Oh, I did it at the top of the thing. How do we do this? This boy, grab it at the end here. this one, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Look at this one. Oh my good. Imagine that, bro. Oh my.